welcome to the Hub of Knowledge Studies.
Good morning guys, I hope you all are doing well. So as you know that I have started the word map series. So today I have come with a new video on MCQ based on the continent North America. So these questions will be based on the previous videos. We have already done the word map series of North America. And if you have not watched that video, I will provide you the link in the description box so you can watch my playlist. So let's start with the question number 1. Greenland is a part of which of the following continent? As I have already told you that Greenland is a part of North American continent. As you can see it over here, this is North America and this is Greenland. It is part of North American continent, but it is a territory of Denmark. So keep it in your mind, they are asking about continent. So the answer would be C, North America. Now come to question number 2. Strait of Florida lies between Florida and dash, Jamaica, Cuba, Mexico and Haiti. So what would be the answer? As I told you that Strait of Florida lies between Florida and Cuba. So the answer would be B. Let me show it in the map. Here you can see that I told you that this is Florida Peninsula and this is Cuba, and here this lies Strait of Florida. So Strait of Florida lies between Florida and Cuba. Now question number 3. Which of the following states separate Russia and North America? If you remember, I just told you that day that this is Asia, that means a part of Russia over here, and this was Alaska, North American continent, and this is the strait which is separating both Asia and Alaska. So the first option is Davis Strait. No, this would be not be the answer. Bosphorus Strait. No, the answer would be C, Bering Strait. So you can see in this map that this is part of Asia and this is Alaska, which comes in North American continent, and this is the strait which is joining, which is separating them. This is called Bering Strait, and you can see over here that this is Bering Sea. So this, the name of this strait is Bering Strait. Now let's come to question number 4. Question number 4. Bering Strait separates which of the following water bodies? Here it will not come separate, here it is joined, because strait never separates water bodies. The strait always join the water bodies and separate the land mass. I told you in my previous videos also. So the answer would be, first is Bering Sea and Chukchi Sea, second is Bering Sea and Gulf of Mexico, Bering Sea and East China Sea, Bering Sea and Sea of Japan. So you can estimate yourself also that Bering Strait is connected to North American continent. So Japan will not come, China Sea will not come, and Bering Sea and Gulf of Mexico. Gulf of Mexico lies to the south of North American continent, so it will not be the answer. So the answer would be Bering Sea and Chukchi Sea. You can see it over here that this is Bering Strait and this is joining two water bodies, that is this one and this one. This is Bering Sea written over here and this one is Chukchi Sea. Although in this map this is not written over here, but in my last video I just show you in the map also. So now we come forward to question number 5. Which of the following water bodies surrounding North America have been meshed correctly? As I told you that North American continent is surrounded by 3 water bodies. One over here, and one over here. 3 oceans. So they are talking about west direction and Atlantic Ocean. No, in the west it is surrounded by Pacific. So this will not be the answer. West Pacific, yeah, this would be the answer. Gulf of Mexico in the south, yeah, it is correct because Gulf of Mexico lies over here. This would be also the answer. And English Channel south. English Channel no, because English Channel is part of Europe, so it will not come over here. So the answer would be B and C, that is Pacific Ocean and Gulf of Mexico. So guys, you can see in this, in the western coast, North America is surrounded by Pacific Ocean, and in the east it is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean. In the north it is surrounded by Arctic Ocean, and in the south you can see by Gulf of Mexico and Caribbean Sea. So the answer would be B and C. Now let's solve question number 6. Which of the following latitudes form the boundary between Canada and North America? So guys, for this we have to see the map. As you can see over here that this is Tropic of Cancer, which is passing through Gulf of Mexico. I told you in my previous video. Okay. And see it over here that this is 30 degree north, and they are asking about the boundary between Canada and America. So we see it over here that this is 60 degree north, as you can see written over here, and this is 30 degree. So you can estimate that the latitude difference is 30 degree. That means we can assume that in between this, here it would probably be 45 degree north. That means the two options are 38, 39 have eliminated. Why? Because 38, 39 would be probably here, but we have to see this latitude. So the answer, we are left with two options, 48 and 49, and the answer is 49. So the boundary between Canada and America is 49 degree north latitude. Now you can see this question again. Which of the following latitude form a boundary between Canada and North America? It's not North America, it's USA actually. United States of America. Because North America is a continent. So the answer would be 49 degree. D would be the answer. Let's come to question number 7. State of Florida connects. First option is Gulf of Mexico and Sargasso Sea. Second is Gulf of Mexico and Caribbean Sea. Gulf of Mexico and Pacific Ocean. Gulf of Mexico and Hudson Bay. So if you remember, I told you that this is the state of Florida. Just a rough map I am showing you. And this is Florida Peninsula. And it is and here it lies Cuba. And here it lies Gulf of Mexico. And here it lies Sargasso Sea. So the answer would be 1. A. A would be the answer. State of Florida connects Gulf of Mexico and Sargasso Sea. Let me show you in this map. So as you can see in this map, this is state of Florida. This is connecting Gulf of Mexico and here it is Sargasso Sea. So the answer would be A. Question number 8. Consider the following statements. Yucatan is a peninsula in USA. And second is Yucatan Channel connects Gulf of Mexico and Caribbean Sea. First of all, if you remember, then I told you that Yucatan Peninsula is not a part of USA, it is part of Canada. So the answer of 1 would be wrong. So we can eliminate one option and this option will be eliminated. Now we are left with two options, only 2 and none. Now we see second option, Yucatan Channel connects Gulf of Mexico and Caribbean Sea. So this would be the right answer. The answer would be 2. So the answer would be 2, that is only 2. So guys, you can see it over here that this is Yucatan and this is Yucatan Channel which is connecting Gulf of Mexico and Caribbean Sea. So the answer would be 2 only. Now question number 9. Consider the following statements about Cuba. It shares land boundary with Haiti on east. First of all, Cuba is an island nation, so it doesn't share any boundary with any other country. So the answer would be wrong. One option will be eliminated. We can eliminate A option and we can eliminate C also. It is surrounded by Caribbean Sea to the north. No, this statement is not right because Caribbean Sea lies to the south of Cuba Island. Let me show you in the map also. You can see this. As you can see it over here that this is Cuba and Caribbean Sea lies to the south of Cuba. So 2 would not be the answer. And first is the share boundary with Haiti on east. No, because it is an island nation, it doesn't share boundary with any other country. So our answer would be none. Our answer would be done, so the answer would be D. Okay. Question number 10. Consider about Baffin Bay. It lies between Baffin Island and mainland Canada. No, this is not the right answer. Why? Because I told you that Baffin Bay lies between Baffin Islands and Greenland. So this would be the not answer. 1 would be wrong. We will eliminate the first option. It is a part of Arctic Ocean. No, not at all. Because it is a part of, I told you, North Atlantic Ocean. So this would also be wrong. So answer would be none. D would be the answer. Let me show you in the map also. Guys, you can see in this map, this is Baffin Bay. And you can see it over, this is Greenland and this is Baffin Islands. These are the part of Canada. So Baffin Bay lies between Baffin Islands and Greenland. And second, it is a part of Arctic Ocean. No, it is not part of Arctic Ocean. It is part of Atlantic Ocean. It is written over here. It is part of North Atlantic Ocean. So the answer would be D, none. So guys, we have done 10 questions today with detailed explanation of these questions, which are based on the previous video on North American World Map series. I hope you are getting the concepts clear to these questions. So guys, if you like my video, please like it, share it with your friends, comment on it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.